So guys, I was just out for a short spin and thought might as well just make a small video of the riding gears that I've recently bought from Tiger Motor Store Powai. And if you guys are planning to spend some bucks on the riding gears, do check them out. They've got a amazing collection of riding boots, riding gloves, riding jackets and luggage solutions and many other things. So do check the store out. It's in Powai near IIT. So the first purchase that I did from that store are these Raida AQDry waterproof riding gloves. So the first thing, as I've already mentioned, is that these are waterproof. And one of the most unique features about these gloves that I've seen is this is a wiper that you can use in rainy seasons to clean your visor of your helmet. So it does have its cons as well. It's not so breathable as it is waterproof, so but it will do its job not so well but good enough. So the other thing that I bought from the store was a RYNOX Steel Evo 3. It is a riding jacket from RYNOX which costed me around 13,000 rupees. And the first thing that I'm going to notice about this jacket is the ventilation. The ventilation on this thing is just amazing. Whether you take it on a city ride or for a long tour, it does its job in both the situations. So other than that, it has got NOx protectors which will save you in case of a crash. And if you guys want to go a little deeper and know what levels of protection is given in this jacket, then I'll put a short chart over here and you can check what level of protection is used in this jacket. So that was kind of a short review of the riding gears that I've bought. And again, it is not compulsory that you go and buy the same jacket. You should go check out the store and buy something which suits your purpose. So this is Siddhant Shednike signing off. So the second thing that I bought from the store, बड़ा डर लगता है मादर भाई